Hello everyone. Today we are going to present data structures in design thinking based manner. Hello everyone. Today we can see what is data structures. So before we are getting into what is exactly what is data structure, we'll see the purpose of data structure and why we need data structures in real world scenario. Let's empathize this. Just consider you are in a library. We all visit library. How the library books are organized based on the department. You will be having electronics and communication, computer science and engineering, AI, mechanical, aeronautical engineering. Likewise, categories are there. Likewise, departments are there. So according to the category, according to the department, the books are organized in the library. Why it is so? Just consider if it is not arranged in that manner. Okay, the books are arranged randomly, like computer science books, ECE books, mechanical and aeronautical. All books are put together. It is not arranged or it is not categorized department-wise. It is just we are going to place. We are taking any book and we are going to place interact as such. So if I say find a data structure book, if I say a title like data structure book and fetch that book from any shelf, can you able to do it? You can't do it because there the books are mixed up and it is not at all categorized. If it is categorized, let's say computer science separately, mechanical separately, electronics, electrical separately. If I say just go and fetch data structures book, you will be visiting the computer science category and you will be searching for the particular book and you will be fetching, right? So the main thing is what? Arrangement. If the books are arranged or organized in a correct correct manner, we can able to fetch that book easily. Okay, it is not going to be a time consuming one. The same is applicable for our data. So every day we are going to deal with numerous data. If the data are not arranged in a proper manner, if the data we are going to store the data then and there, if you want to fetch that particular data in time, then it is not a possible one. It is very impossible if you are not going to store the data in an organized manner. Okay, so that is the purpose of data structure. What we are going to do in data structure, we are going to organize the data. Organize the data in computer manner. Okay, let's see one more example like hospital management system. Bharati is going to present hospital management system application in a design thinking based manner.
If we take hospital management, we have something called fixed manner. So we can use array system for that fixed things. Like in hospital, there are only certain number of rooms. We cannot the extra rooms that can be added. So these are comes under a fixed type. So we can use array because array is a fixed in it. We can store rooms and then operation theaters then number of fixed things. We cannot change that. So if we are using array, this data structure is very much perfect for that fixed things.
In hospital management, we are using stack data structure. For stack is mainly used for unknown redo actions. For example, if there is changes in patient record or appointment, stack is suitable because stack is mainly used for unknown redo action.
If we see about Q data structure, Q data structure follows the first in first out method. First in first out method refers to if a person is standing in the line, the person who enters the first will also be the first one to left that line. This Q data structure will be used in hospital management system like patient entering, like outpatient list. If the person coming for the first time or for a general medicine, issues, they will be the first one to get an appointment. So they will be the next person coming after them will be considered as the second one. So the first one who is coming will get the appointment first and they will reach the doctor at the first time. And they can also use in the lab test reports. If a person go to the lab at the first, they will get the lab report first also. So like this in hospital management system, the Q data structures have been used.
Let's see about linked list data structure. In this, list are dynamic and linked list is just opposite to array because array is fixed size compared to the linked list. For example, this is mostly used for patient appointment list.